Are you expecting a new little family member? Do you already have the little love of your life crawling around? If so, we want to share 10 amazing gadgets for you and your baby that will make your lives healthier, safer, and happier during the most exciting times of your lives. Before we get started, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Infant pacifier thermometer. How often do we rest our palms on our baby's foreheads to check their temperature? We can't get an accurate read on the temperature with this method, so we resort to thermometers in the mouth or under the arm. As you may have experienced, this is more difficult of a task than we'd like it to be. The infant pacifier thermometer helps ease this process. It allows your newborn to be comfortable as the pacifier acts like a normal pacifier, but it also takes an accurate temperature of your newborn to determine whether or not your baby is truly under the weather. Having a pacifier thermometer handy will make you and your newborn's life that much easier determining if a dose of medication or a visit to the pediatrician is necessary. 9. The nose Frida. Is sucking snot from your baby's nose gross? You bet! But is the relief you'll get when your fussy little one can finally breathe again worth it? Without a doubt. The nose Frida is the ultimate snot sucker and a much more effective alternative to the traditional nasal bulb. You will place the tube end where needed within your baby's nasal, and then the other flexible tube end into your mouth to suck inward to extract the unwanted snot to unblock your loved one's nose. And don't worry, there's an airtight filter to ensure that you won't get any baby boogies in your mouth, which I am sure we're all thankful for. 8. Tush Baby. Ditch the difficult carriers, sweaty baby sacks, and complicated strap-ins. Tush Baby is changing the way parents carry their babies with a simple hip seat. The memory foam-lined seat provides optimal comfort and hip health for little ones. The supportive belt, now with additional padding, lumbar support, and high-quality Velcro, evenly distributes baby weight for mom or dad. And the storage area within the seat holds diapers, wipes, and changing essentials, with extra pockets along the sides for keys, phone and wallet, a bottle holder, attachment loops, and smooth two-way zippers. Parents don't need to pack up 3 bags just to leave the house anymore. They only need the easy-to-wear, easy-to-fold-up Tush Baby. 7. Mamaroo Swing. Being a parent is no easy job by any means. Having to juggle your profession along with your expected and unexpected daily tasks, all while trying to entertain and keep your baby safe, is no easy feat for any human being. Wouldn't it be amazing to have a gadget that can help entertain your newborn safely to allow you to tackle the rest of your daily tasks? Introducing the Mamaroo Swing. There are various options of the Mamaroo Swing, but they all provide the safe and fun entertainment every baby needs, hands-free. The Mamaroo Swing has multiple speeds that can sway your baby back and forth to their desired liking, with an overhang of fun little toys they can reach and play with. This can also be a great gadget to help soothe your baby to sleep, as the constant and soothing rocking motion always seems to help a tired baby. So if you're looking for a gadget to help free your hands, for you to handle life's daily tasks, all while having the comfort and knowledge that your baby is safe and sound, Mamaroo Swing may be for you. 6. Ubi Steel Diaper Pail. There's no getting around the fact that dirty diapers are smelly. But why settle for a diaper pail that doesn't at least try to conceal these less than pleasant odors? The Ubi is made of steel, so it won't absorb stinky smells as much as a plastic diaper pail would. There's also a hermetically sealed top closure and a child safety lock to really keep the yuck at bay. And the best part? No special liner bags needed. The Ubi uses regular old trash bags and even reusable cloth liners. 5. Hatch. As you may be aware, babies cry often for various reasons. One of those reasons may be because they are tired and cannot fall asleep. Hatch helps soothe your newborn to sleep with its simple high-tech sound machine. Hatch is an all-in-one baby lullaby, alarm, nightlight, and monitor. You will be able to control your Hatch through your smartphone device and find the right lullaby and/or natural sounds and/or lighting to help soothe your baby to a nice, peaceful sleep. Don't forget, you'll also be able to monitor it all through Hatch's audio monitor as well, so you can have the comfort of knowing when your newborn is fast asleep and/or wide awake, ready for the day. That's why we ranked Hatch at number 5 as a must-have gadget for you and your family. 4. Smart Bee Baby Stroller. There are plenty of options to choose from when selecting your new baby stroller. There's full-size strollers that are good for carrying a lot of your necessary miscellaneous baby care items. Umbrella strollers where you are able to fold up and transport easily. Jogging strollers that have heavy-duty wheels to help endure the jogging terrain while enjoying your little one's company. How about one that combines them all into one and allows you to be hands-free? The Smart Bee Baby Stroller is the latest high-tech smart baby stroller that allows parents to be hands-free. Sounds terrifying, right? We assure you it's not as terrifying as you might think. By syncing the smart stroller to your smartphone, the stroller is able to track your movements, so when you go forward, the stroller goes forward, and when you go backwards, it goes backwards. The stroller is powered by an electric engine that has enough power to go up and down steep hills. It also comes with a built-in electric bottle warmer to keep your baby's warm milk or formula ready for those unexpected feeding times. The Smart Bee stroller also allows you to control the temperature of the interior of the stroller through your phone to keep your loved one comfortable, depending on the outside temperature. Did we mention it also has interior speakers to play your baby's favorite lullabies? Oh, and one last feature. It has a built-in anti-theft system that you are able to set through your phone when you may not be right next to the stroller. 3. Baby Brezza One-Step Sterilizer Dryer. If your baby is under 3 months old or has a compromised immune system, or if you just prefer things to be extra squeaky clean, a bottle sterilizer can kill 99.9% of germs you don't want. Baby Brezza Sterilizer is the only one on the market with a built-in drying function. You can run both functions together or independently. And it fits up to 6 bottles of any shape or size, plus bottle accessories and even pump parts. So the days of boiling a pot of water and drying on the open counter are long gone. 2. Owlet. There are countless baby monitors that are available to parents, which sometimes makes it hard to pick the right ones. Wouldn't it be great to be able to visually and audibly monitor your baby while they are in their comfy crib? Wouldn't it be even better if you were able to monitor their health by knowing their heart rate and oxygen levels to make sure they are breathing properly as they sleep peacefully? The Owlet and Smart Sock does just that. The Owlet monitor system allows you to visually and audibly monitor your baby. But when you put the Owlet Smart Sock on your newborn within their nightie or PJs, it allows you to monitor their heart rate and oxygen levels, giving you, as a parent, peace of mind knowing your baby is resting in full comfort and in full health. 1. Baby Brezza Formula Pro Advanced. We're here for all things that save you time and hassle as a new parent, and the Baby Brezza checks both of these boxes. Simply fill this automatic formula mixer with water and formula, and it's ready to make up to 28-ounce bottles at the touch of a button. You can even customize bottle size and temperature, and you don't have to worry about air bubbles either. Your 3 a.m. self is thanking you already. That wraps up our top 10 amazing gadgets for you and your baby. We hope you enjoyed this video and helped you find the right gadget for you and your little loved one. Be sure to like and share, especially with your loved ones, with life joys on the way. Subscribe and ring the notification bell. Thanks again for watching.